The world needs food. Food that comes from the field. The field has cattle that needs food. Quality food and quantity to feed the people. That grow with the speed of the wind. According to FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, United Nations organ, studies point that in 2050 the production of food will have to grow 60% to supply the humanity that will reach 9 billion, 2 billion more than today. With the challenge of feeding this growing population, the companies active in the agribusiness have an important role to play. Its contribution will come by products that assure mainly food safety. Considering the worldwide agriculture community that produce most of the food in the world, the task will be to provide the farmers with the best technology and sustainable practices. Matsuda Group is one of these companies, with historical of competence recognized both in the national and international market. With Japanese DNA, Matsuda and Sami families united made a decision of disembarking in Brazil, bringing on their baggage solid bases such as honesty, hard work, good manners, and especially their traditions as tools to put in practice the great dream, the prosperity and the promised land. An authentically Brazilian company, Matsuda started in 1948 and since then is active in different sectors in the agribusiness. The company is one of the pioneers in the production and trade of tropical forage seeds in Brazil. Matsuda is distinguished by the quality of its seeds and cultivars for different kinds of soils, climates, and animal species. Its research and technical departments work together in the selection and development of new cultivars and technologies that contribute with the rural producer. As an example, we have the encrusted seeds Setigold. Matsuda excels for the credibility of its seeds analysis. Its seeds laboratory was the first private one in the world to receive an international accreditation provided by ISTA, International Seed Testing Association. In the segment of animal nutrition, the group places on the market, under the good manufacture practices, specific products with balanced formulations, high-quality raw material, in order to respect each animal species requirement. In this sector, with only 30 years of activities, the company is considered the biggest in Brazil when it comes to national capital and number of plants distributed throughout Brazil. Álvares Machado, São Paulo. Cuiabá, Mato Grosso. Goianira, Goiás. Imperatriz, Maranhão. São Sebastião do Paraíso, Minas Gerais. Vitória da Conquista, Bahia. Em São Gonçalo do Amarante, Ceará, its total production capacity reaches 500,000 tons per year. Aware of the needs of the farmers that seek tools that optimize the work and accelerate the production in their activity, takes action the company's equipments, accurately following the project of each product. Product diversification is another constant reality for the company that applies the same principles, both in the beef production chain as well as in the production of feed for omnivorous and carnivorous tropical fish in 2 of the 8 factories throughout Brazil. In order to enhance the sentimental attachment given to our pets, Matsuda has developed in its plants located in the states of Minas Gerais and Mato Grosso high-quality and complete feeding stuffs with balanced formulations destined to dogs and cats to provide them healthy and happy life. In Matsuda's pharmaceutical industrial complex located in Jacareí, São Paulo, the company places on the market every year veterinary medical products that, added up to great genetic, continued nutrition, and correct handling, helps up to transform Brazil in the biggest producer of healthy food worldwide. In this constant search for value in the investment made by the rural producers, the company commercializes silage inoculants that have as main function to preserve the nutritional value of different materials such as corn, sorghum, grass, and sugarcane. From Álvares Machado, São Paulo countryside, Matsuda counts on overland, sea, and air logistics that comprises the United States, China, Japan, all the national territory, part of the Latin America and Africa. The company also has distribution points in Campo Grande, Mato Grosso do Sul, Curitiba, Paraná, Ji-Paraná, Rondônia, and Água Boa, Mato Grosso. The products line offered surpasses 150 items. As demonstration of expansion and diversification, the company has about 1,000 of sales representatives all over Brazil. In order to meet the market demand, Matsuda does not neglect a strict quality control system, from the tiny seeds to the big equipments. Generating satisfaction, the company has managed to engage its customers, another important Matsuda's mission. With average of 50% of our members by its customers in the pasture seeds category, the top of mind prize is the people's answers in the consolidation of our brand, proving that throughout its more than 6 decades and a half of activities, the company is solid and efficient. Through its communication and marketing department, Matsuda constantly works on new ideas, creates solutions and new possibilities, because to innovate is necessary. Aware of its responsibilities as company, Matsuda recognizes its role in the society, encourages the collectivity, creates healthy relationships between its employees, its most important heritage. En route to its 4th generation, the company maintains the challenge to keep overcoming, growing, and transforming with criterion and safety. Matsuda, always contributing to a better humanity. Matsuda, once you use it, you will never change.